In this video, I am going to show you a strategy that works perfectly well for scalping or day trading on forex. More precisely, we are going to test it in the time frame of 5 minutes in the euro-dollar. The first thing we have to do is put a 55-period exponential moving average, EMA, which we will use as a filter. We will have to configure this EMA in the time frame of 1 hour. When configuring this like this, it means that the 55 periods will be taken in the 1-hour chart, but we will see it in the time frame of 5 minutes. After that, we will configure the color in red and the thickness to the maximum. We will also add an RSI of 14 periods, with the parameters of 70-30. As we said before, we will use this EMA as a filter. If the price is above the EMA, we will only open buy trades. If the price is below the EMA, we will only open sell trades. We will avoid markets where the EMA is flat, as it could give a lot of false signals. In case we are going to open buy trades, we will open them when the RSI is at 30. In case we are going to make sell trades, we will open them when the RSI is at 70. Once we have bought or sold, we will leave the stop loss and take profit at 30 pips. To find out how much 30 pips are, we simply select the TradingView risk-benefit tool and place it on the chart with one click. Then we will select the options, and where it says ticks, we will put 300. Ready? We already have it configured to know when to put the stop loss and the take profit. This strategy has a risk-benefit ratio of 1:1. That is, we are going to risk 1 to get 1, but of course to be profitable. And thanks to the EMA filter, we are going to be right most of the time. Now, let's look at some examples. First, we look for a trend, such as this downtrend here. In this case, as the price is below the EMA, we will only make short trades. We then wait for the RSI to be at 70. At that point, we will execute the trade. Now it only remains to put the stop loss and take profit at 30 pips. Let's now see an example of the purchase. We found an uptrend. In this case, as the price is above the EMA, we will only buy. We wait for the RSI to be at 30 to execute the trade. After executing the trade, we set the stop loss and take profit at 30 pips and wait for the price to move. Look at all the trades that would have been winners if we had followed this strategy. And ready! I hope this strategy has been useful to you. Do not forget that before trying it with real money, you need to try it in a demo account so that you can put it into practice by yourself. Do not forget to subscribe so as not to miss any strategy, as we upload the best strategies every week.